While the masses are distracted by ChatGPT prompts, the smart money is moving into service-based AI infrastructure. We analyze the data, and there are three specific business models yielding the highest returns with the lowest barrier to entry today. This isn't about speculation, it's about cash flow. Here is the financial breakdown. The first model with high income potential is the AI appointment setter. Financially, this works on the principle of labor arbitrage. Traditional businesses pay humans full-time salaries to handle inbound leads. These humans have downtime, emotions, and sick days. An AI agent costs a fraction of that to deploy, but operates 24/7. The economic opportunity here is selling this revenue engine to high-ticket businesses like med spas or law firms. You aren't selling software, you are selling a reduction in customer acquisition cost. The market rate for this service currently sits between $500 to $1,000 per day in value generated. The second major opportunity is the AI executive assistant, specifically for inbox and calendar management. High net worth individuals face a time deficit. They are willing to pay a premium to buy back their time. The financial model here is creating a custom AI solution that learns a CEO's workflow to automate 95% of their scheduling and email correspondence. Case studies show that agencies providing this specific optimization have scaled from $1 million to $10 million in revenue in under 6 months. The demand for operational efficiency is outpacing the supply of qualified AI architects. Finally, the most critical financial lesson is the pre-sell protocol. Most failed ventures burn capital building a product that no one wants. The smart capital strategy is to invert this process. First, validate the niche. Second, pre-sell the solution using a simple payment link before writing a single line of code. This ensures positive cash flow from day one. You only build the automation after the market has deposited cash into your account. This eliminates financial risk and validates product-market fit instantly. The gap to enter these markets is closing. The technology is available, but the execution is where the profit lies. For more breakdowns on wealth strategy and market analysis, subscribe to the channel.